Road safety depends on reliable speed enforcement. Many recent speed cameras fail in low light, bad weather, and high traffic, exactly when accurate detection is needed most. That's why Econ Systems brings you precision-engineered cameras tailored for various speed safety deployment scenarios. 1. Fixed speed enforcement. Fixed speed enforcement demands unwavering image sharpness to constantly monitor specific zones, like school areas or accident-prone stretches and pedestrian crossings. Our powerful high-resolution cameras with global shutter sensors ensures crisp, blur-free number plate recognition, even at vehicle speeds of 150 miles per hour, day or night. They also serve as effective red light safety cameras, helping reduce violations by capturing fast-moving vehicles during signal transitions. Cameras can be synchronized with external sensors like radar or traffic light controllers for real-time, accurate violation detection. 2. Mobile speed enforcement. Mobile speed safety cameras mounted on patrol vehicles, trailers, or tripods can be relocated and configured to enforce speed limits across multiple locations. Our optical zoom-enabled cameras aid in monitoring multiple lanes, effectively capturing vehicles exceeding the posted speed limit. This makes them ideal for temporary zones such as construction areas or accident sites. 3. Average speed enforcement. Average speed enforcement works by measuring the amount of time it takes a vehicle to drive between 2 points, calculating the vehicle's average speed. That's where our GigE cameras with P2P sync come in, working with accurate timestamps to calculate speed with pinpoint precision. With onboard edge processing and fine-tuned ISP, results are instant, no server delay, no missed violations. Along with all these features, our IP69K rated enclosures offer a rugged, all-weather solution perfect for 24/7 outdoor deployment. Partner with Econ Systems for next-generation speed violation detection cameras that delivers proven results. To know more, visit the link in the description.